Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo, a very interesting one. But first, the Zippo that I threw in the flames yesterday, the Cubs Zippo, got a little bit singed, but I polished it for a while with this Brasso. Worked really good. And by the way, Brasso is made in the USA. Works good on brass, also stainless. So this Cubs Zippo came out just fine. So today we're going to take a look at this one. It came in a protective sleeve, and it says Spazuk on the sleeve. It's a genuine Zippo box. It also says Spazuk above the barcode. Now this was manufactured in Bradford, PA in the USA. This is the Spazuk, the Steven Spazuk artistic rendering of a skull. And I like it because it's got the cardinal, that's my state's bird. Now Steven Spazuk has his own website and has done quite a bit of art using fire. Those are actually soot renderings of the skull, and he does painting of the Reds paint, of course. Let's see, this was made, it looks like it was, looks like D or April of this year. Pretty good stampings, good sound, got a steel insert, fires up nice. Now I have quite a few skull Zippos. There's a few of them, some of the better ones. Let's do a drop test on this Steven Spazuk Zippo, see how it turns out. Okay, so the Steven Spazuk skull with cardinal passes the drop test. It's on a nice white matte finish case, so you won't get any fingerprints on that. So that Spazuk Zippo deserves some cowbell, being made in the USA. Knuckle bump.